So in the previous video I showed you how to download a TikTok video without a watermark, repurpose it by uploading it to Instagram Reels. Now today I want to show you how to use that exact same video that you've downloaded and upload it to the YouTube platform, making use of their new feature called YouTube Shorts. So if you haven't watched the previous video on how to create a YouTube channel, I suggest you do that first. The YouTube short platform works very similar to TikTok. People can just scroll from one video to the next, but there are a couple of minor differences. For instance, it is not very easy to go to your profile or to your bio as we call it. So when you make your TikTok videos and you want to repurpose them as is, please bear in mind that you rather ask the people to comment as opposed to go check out the link in your bio. And instead of asking for people to follow, you need to ask people to subscribe. So I would suggest you use a separate video editor just to change that last little bit of your TikTok video to read or say as much. Not only does this have a massive potential for viewers, as you know how big YouTube is, but it also has the potential to grow your YouTube channel very, very quickly. There's just one more thing that I would like to point out, is that for your video to be considered as a YouTube short, it needs to be under 60 seconds. Actually, for some unexplained reason, YouTube adds a second to your every video. So you have to keep it under 59 seconds. Now with that being said, let me open up my phone and show you how to upload the video. Firstly, you need to open YouTube on your phone. Now on the top right hand corner, click on your profile picture. Then click on the add account and use the exact same email address that you used to create your YouTube channel. So now that your phone is linked to your YouTube channel, let's upload the first video. So first, click on the plus sign to upload your video. Next, click on upload video. Select the video you want to upload. And remember, it should be free of the TikTok watermark. Next, you will be prompted to add a title. Now give your title a little bit of thought, as this is the only way for YouTube to classify or categorize which audience they are going to show your video to. So you need to be really specific. If you're making something about a funny dog, your title needs to be something like "My funny dog" or "My funny Chihuahua dog is chewing on a bone and making me laugh," if you understand what I'm trying to say. For your video to be considered a YouTube short, you would also need to add in the title #shorts, as I've done here. Next, add a description to your video. It's a good idea to add the link to the product that you are promoting. And if you've gone through the 15-day affiliate training from Dave Sharp, you would know how important it is to add disclaimers in your terms and conditions. So please make sure you add them now. I will, at the bottom of this video, I will be sure to add some terms and conditions that you can just copy and paste to use. Next, you want to set the video to public so that everybody can see it. To be on the safe side, I strongly recommend that you mark your videos as not suitable for kids. Then the next step would be to select a playlist. As you can see here, I've set up a playlist called #shorts, which I did when I created my YouTube channel. Next, click on the upload button. Once your video is uploaded, click on your profile image on the top right hand corner and then click on your channel. Next, click on videos. and you would see the video that you've just uploaded. Then click on the video that you've just uploaded. Now on YouTube, it is common practice to like your own videos and watch the entire video. Next, click on the comment icon. It is also good practice to leave a comment with a short, compelling reason why somebody should click on the link that you've added. And that's it, you're done. But please do not be alarmed or get discouraged if your video does not start showing straight away. It may take up to 14 days for the algorithm to pick it up and classify it as a short. But this is also a great opportunity for you to take one day in a week and upload all your TikTok videos at once and just leave them for YouTube to decide when to disperse them to the correct audience.